And I'm Allison.
And first, we're gonna bake the cupcakes.
But before that, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. You'll need
Cupcake trays with cupcake linings, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1/2 tablespoon also of baking powder.
and 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 egg, plus red food color and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a mixing bowl, you have to cream the butter and the sugar. Mix well the butter and the sugar so that when you combine it with the dry ingredients, there will be no lumps. Then you have to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then add the egg. And you have to mix the dry ingredients together. This is the flour and the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. Mix it all together until they combine well. And you have to combine the ingredients alternately. And remember not to overmix the batter or else you'll get a heavy cupcake which we don't like. And then when you're done mixing the batter, it's time to pour the red food color.
But I suggest you put half the bottle's red coloring so that it will look more velvetish. And then get ready with the cupcake trays. You can buy this at any near supermarkets near you.
We're going to put the batter to the cupcake tray.
This is an ice cream scooper.
Thanks for getting it.
The one that we did is for 12 servings. So yeah. But we're making big cupcakes. Oh yeah.
Then off it in the oven.
We're gonna put it now in the oven.
Remember guys, it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And you have to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes.
Hindi ako yun.
Hi, I'm Stella,
I'm Irene.
and we're going to be doing the cream cheese frosting for the red velvet cupcake. First, you'll be needing a mixing bowl, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First off, put the powdered sugar into the mixing bowl. Then, put the unsalted butter with the powdered sugar and mix it well. You would want to sift the powdered sugar just to make sure that there wouldn't be any lumps. After you've mixed the powdered sugar and the unsalted butter, you will put in next the 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it well. It wouldn't look like frosting at first, but it will get there. After you mix the powdered sugar, unsalted butter, and milk, you will now pour in also the cream cheese. And then mix it with the batter. Next, mix in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then mix well. You wouldn't want to mix the frosting too much so that it wouldn't look frothy when it's done. After we've mixed the batter, it should look like a creamy white liquid. You can also put the batter in the refrigerator for 45 minutes so that the batter can thicken. Once the cupcakes are out of the oven, let it set for 10 minutes and stick a toothpick into each of the cupcakes to make sure that it is baked well from the inside.
And if the toothpick comes out clean, that means it's baked.
It's perfect. Perfect. And now that we have our frosting and our cupcakes ready, we will now put frosting on each of the cupcake.
Yeah.
Put enough amount of frosting in each of the cupcakes
And
let
spread
it
it.
spread.
Let it spread.
Ano mo yung style? Abot pa rin.
Ikan mo ng isa, Stella, na nasa ref. And now that the cupcakes are frosted, you have to put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes.
Ano yung paper? May paper mo ka ba? Ano? May plastic.